Ow! God! Why is it hurting more? Hi, I'm Clayton. Welcome to Design Build Make. I actually got a kind of stupid idea for my next project. I gotta think, I'm not a very good dancer. I kind of don't really stick to the beat of the music. And instead of taking dance classes or trying to figure out how to fix this the right way, I think I could build something that'll fix it. Here's the idea. I'm going to get one of these TENS devices. They're like electroshock therapy, and they kind of pulse your muscle a little bit. They're made for like pain therapy, but if you turn them all the way up, they actually make your muscle move involuntarily. And so I think if I get enough of them and I crank them really high and pulse them to the music, it'll kind of make me dance and I won't even have to think about it. This is the device. And I guess we should just see, like, what does the shock look like first? Okay. It doesn't hurt. It just tingles and I can't control that ring finger.
I'm definitely not making this happen. I'm literally not.
I know, right? So TENS devices are usually used for stimulating a muscle. It's supposed to block pain receptors if you have like chronic pain. I can say that at the higher intensities, it definitely is stimulating your muscles. I don't know if that's good or bad. It certainly hurt. If you've ever stuck a 9-volt battery on your tongue or something, way stronger. Most of these output something like 80 to 90 volts through your arm in short pulses. So it's very different. So at a high level, our system has a computer with a microphone that is listening and detecting when the beat happens in the music. It's sending commands to a smaller computer that is on my body that can actually toggle on or off the electroshock device. It turned into a bit of a nightmare for various reasons. The TENS devices, they have safety measures put in place, so they really don't like you turning them on or off really quickly. They want to make sure that they're not accidentally shorting something out and shocking you in a way that it shouldn't be. It's basically trying to detect that it's attached to your body. Played with this for a really long time, trying to get it working, and honestly, it was a painful experience, no pun intended. Because of the safety measure, I had to actually be hooked up to the shock device while I was working on it. Otherwise, it just would never actually turn on. So every time I made a mistake or plugged something in wrong, I would actually receive an electric shock. We finally realized that we could bypass the safety mechanism by essentially swapping out my arm for a fake arm when we toggled on or off. So when we were on, the electricity would go through my arm and the device would be happy. As soon as it toggled off, the electricity would go through a resistor, which was chosen to have similar resistance to my arm, and the device would still think it was hooked up to an arm and it would still be happy. I'm all wired up. So we got the TENS units hooked up to my arms, here and here, and the wire goes into the backpack. Inside the backpack, we have the Raspberry Pi, which is connected up to the relay and the actual TENS device, and it's all being powered by just like a battery that you would have, like a portable battery for your phone, and it's being sent commands from our stationary computer, which is listening with a microphone. Okay, I don't think I can delay this any longer. It's time to actually try it out. All right, that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any ideas for the next one, leave a comment below.